Welcome. This video I'll show you how to create a simple job board here on Wix. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your editor. Okay, now in here, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new page, add a page, blank page. Okay, I'm going to name it as a job board. As you might have seen earlier, I do have this careers tab. So this is the job board. There you go, it's been added. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the left panel. We have add apps. This is by far the easiest one. Okay, go ahead and use the search bar and type in job board like so. Just hit on enter. You'll be able to see a ton of apps right here, but the ones we're using is this one. Okay, click on it, add the site. Just agree and add. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, as you can see here we have a sample. Just go ahead and click on settings. In here, as you can see, you'll be able to add more jobs. If you upgrade this one for about $1, you'll be able to post 5 to 10 more jobs. Okay, it's pretty cheap. For $5, I think you'll have unlimited posting. So I'm just going to delete one and add. Now go ahead and add in a job title, for example, customer service or support, like so. Job department, customer support, location, maybe a remote. Compensation would be maybe $10,000 a month. Okay. The employment type, full-time. You can go ahead and change this one to part-time. Okay. And description, just go ahead and add in your description from here. And once done, you can straight up send this application to an email. Okay. If not, just go ahead and hit on done. Now, as you can see, here we have CS. Active listing right here. So it will be able to pop up. Done. Close it. Stretch if you want to. Now, instead of more info, you'd like to change this one to apply now. Now, for that apply now button, you just have to link it to a job application form. Okay. If you don't know how to make one, you can go ahead and check it out on the channel. We have a separate video for that titled How to Add Job Application to Wix website. All right. So that's basically how you create a job board here on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.